How to buy and redeem Uber gift card online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. It will land you on the official page of Amazon. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Uber gift card. Well, you can see the gift card is available. Click on it. Well, it will land you on this interface. Here, what you want to do is, first of all, you need to select an amount between $15 to $500 and then enter your email address for each recipient. Also enter your name. And in this section, you can enter the specific messages that you want to. And then select the quantity. Also select the date to be sent. Once you have entered all of the details, click on Buy Now. Then you have to pay with the suitable payment method. And then you will receive your gift card. Once you have received your gift card, the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your application Uber. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, head over to your profile at the top left corner. And then move into Wallet. Inside Wallet, click on Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Card. Once again, click on Gift Card. Well, it will redirect you to this page. Here it says PIN or gift code. You simply have to enter your gift card number that is given to you. Once you have entered, you need to click on Apply. After that, your gift card will be added to Uber. Now, whenever you use this application Uber, at the time of the checkout or the payment, you need to choose your gift card as the payment method and then pay the amount that is given to you. That way your gift card will be used. So that's it, and this is simply how you can buy and redeem Uber gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.